VIN price adjustment of a Huebsch coin drop single pocket rear controlled dryer with MDC2 control. To adjust the VIN price, enter manual mode by opening the service panel and locating the tubular wire connection, separating the connection, and reconnecting. Next, enter manual mode by pressing the medium temp and high temp buttons at the same time. Use the low temp and delicate buttons to cycle through the selections until you find the programming or PROG display. Press enter or start to confirm. The display ATS is the VIN price adjustment menu. Press start to confirm. Press start again, and you'll see the display of the VIN price on the machine. Press start to advance to the next character, and use the low and delicate buttons to adjust the VIN amount. Press start to advance to the next character, and start once confirmed. To exit out, press the medium temp until the display of the VIN price is shown again.